Hello my friend, this is Jack. Today we want to show our flat die pellet machine for you. This model, the capacity for the output is 1 ton per hour with 90 kilowatts. The motor power is 90 kilowatts. This is the most economical model for 1 ton per hour pellet making. This is the oil pump motor we are using, lubricating the main shaft automatically. For this model, we are using the vertical motor structure. This is the inside structure of our flat die pellet machine. The roller will rotate on the flat die, and the flat die will be fixed. The wood pellets will come out from the holes on the flat die and discharge here. For the wood pellets diameter, it can be customized at 4, 6, 8, 10 mm according to a requirement. If you want to make wood pellets with the lowest investment, contact with us freely.